Hello fourth class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So in our online class we have done block 4 in Word workbook. Okay? And but some students were not present in an online class. So we will discuss this topic again. Okay? Now take out this page in your Word workbook. So there is a culture and heritage. There is a story, small story, culture and heritage. We will talk about the culture and heritage. The name of the land where many cultures meet. So this is a story. Okay, now let's read. India is known the world over as a country where multiple cultures intersects with each other. The language, food and clothing style change as you travel across it. Many states and territories. India is very large country with different landforms and mountains and rivers and deserts, plains and rivers. So ये क्या है? These are the landforms. In past, before roads, railway roads, tracks or bridges were built, people couldn't travel easily to different parts of the vast land. Vast is called large land. Okay, people in different regions had little or no contact with others. This means they developed their own culture and languages. They also had to adapt their eating habits to locally. Okay. Available foods and wear clothing to coordinate with the weather conditions. However, despite of the many different differences, the people of this diverse country are linked by one common denominator. They all civilize of the nation of India. Can you think of any other country with an equivalent level of diversity? So there are, now look at this picture, there are different kinds of food. First one is South Indian, middle is North Indian, and third one is Rajasthan, the food of Rajasthan. So now let's discuss the meaning of the target words. First one is the multiple. So what is the meaning of multiple? Multiple means many. Next one is inserts. Can you tell me the meaning of inserts? Equal. No, sorry. Inserts, the meaning of the inserts is called. Can you tell the meaning of inserts? Insert means can yes, intersect insert नहीं है ये, intersect है, to connect at a particular point in between, so that is called intersects. So can you tell me the meaning of vast? So यहाँ पे vast land है, means very large, and there is many coordinate. The meaning of coordinate is to select things so that they work well together. The meaning of coordinate. Denominator, that is come in maths. Okay, and that is a quantity that is common to all the members of the group, that is called denominator. Next one is diverse. This one is the diverse country. So the diverse means with a lot of variety, that is called India has a lot of variety. So people have a different culture, they speak different language, and their clothing style is different in different state. So I hope it is clear to you, students. Now we will discuss the meaning of target words. So these are the target words. So first one था आपका coordinate, to select things so that they work well together. Next one denominator, equal quality that is common to all people in a group, equivalent, equal in amount. Next one is intersect, to connect at a particular point in between. Multiple is called many. So you have to write down these target words with the meaning in your English notebook. Next one, now let's discuss this worksheet. So there is a question 1, match the words with their synonyms. Synonym means similar meaning. Okay, so first one is equivalent. Equivalent means many. B part, multiple, there is a multiple choices, many choices. Multiple is means many. So the equivalent, multiple सॉरी इक्विलेंट होता है इक्वल, बी में मैच करेंगे. मल्टीपल इज मैनी. C1 insert. Insert means meet. Okay. Intersect, sorry. Intersect. Meet. Coordinate. Match. So I hope this one is clear to you. There is question 2. Fill in the blanks with the target words. These are the target words. You have to fill these sentences with these target words. इन मैथ्स द बॉटम नंबर इन अ फ्रैक्शन इज कॉल्ड डिनोमिनेटर. जो बॉटम नंबर होता है उसको डिनोमिनेटर बोलते हैं और जो अपर नंबर होता है उसको न्यूमिनेटर बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, वोकैबुलरी इज इंटरेस्टिंग, सॉरी यस इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज वन वर्ड may have dash meaning. One word have में मल्टीपल मीनिंग. मैनी मीनिंग होता है ना उसका, एक मीनिंग के बहुत सारे मीनिंग होते हैं, इसीलिए वोकैबुलरी इंटरेस्टिंग है. इट टेक्स मैनी पीपल टू डैश अ थिएटर परफॉर्मेंस. देयर इज सो मच टू ऑर्गेनाइज. कोऑर्डिनेट करना, यहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेट आ जाएगा. डी पार्ट, कैन यू गिव मी एन डैश अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन स्मॉलर कॉन्सेप्ट. सो यहाँ पे क्या राइट करेंगे हम, smaller coins. This one is D part, so you have to write an equivalent. Okay, can you give me an equivalent, equal. Next one, there is a stop sign where the two roads क्या करते हैं, two roads intersect. Intersect means meet, जहाँ पे दो रोड मीट करते हैं. C part, there is question 3. Make a noun form from the word brackets to the answer the question. The new word all end with suffix. तो new word बनाना है और आपको suffix ऐड करना है TION. Okay, so the math operation with which is opposite of division. Division का opposite होगा multiplication. So you have to write down multiplication. B part, place where two or more road meets, intersection. That is the intersection point. Okay, intersection. Next one, C part, act of many people working together, coordination. जहाँ पे उनके बीच में क्या होना चाहिए, coordination. So you have to write down coordination. So students, thank you for watching this video. Watch it carefully. After that you have to complete these practice questions and you have to write down these keywords or target words with their meaning in your English notebook. Write down in your English notebook. So students, thank you for watching this video. Watch it carefully.